Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiksha 100 में. Today I will going to discuss about vice presidents. What is the position of vice presidents in India, and what is the election process of vice presidents, and what is the eligibility as a vice presidents, and what is the salaries of vice presidents. First of all, I will discuss about vice president's position. Article 63 constitutionally, Article 63 describes a vice presidents, and Article 66 describes qualifications. No, that's wrong. Article 66 describes election process of vice president. If we see vice president's position has taken on the line of American vice president's position. Same American vice presidents lines, Indian vice presidents seats are being taken. Same type, same things. Then I will talk about Article 63 election process of vice presidents. Vice presidents elections process are different like presidents in two things. Means two things are different from election process of presidents. Vice presidents in vice president's election process, electoral college are being made, and these electoral college having members of both the houses of parliament, elected members as well as nominated members. Both members are participated in the election process of vice presidents. But if we will talk about election process of presidents, in case president's election, the only elected members are participated in the election process of presidents. And where is although the state legislative assemblies members are also participated in the election process of presidents, but in case of vice presidents, any members of any state legislative assembly are not involved, are not participated in the election. So these two differences, and these electoral college are being held election by the indirectly by the people. Then the vice presidents are elected by the people through indirectly. And then I will discuss about qualifications. What is the qualifications? What is the qualifications of the vice presidents? Vice president's qualifications mainly 3 or 4 types. First, he should be a citizen of India. A person who are eligible for election of vice presidents should having completed, like, first he should be a citizen of India. He should be a citizen of India. And second, he should have completed 35 years of age. And third, he should not hold office of any profit, like union governments or state governments or local governments or any public authorities. These are the qualifications of vice presidents. Then I will talk about vice president's conditions, president's seat conditions. Vice presidents, when vice presidents enters his office, he should hold office. He can hold office in term of 5 years, and then he removed automatically, means he also removed by the parliament, not like president's impeachment process, but only majority members, means all means electoral members, means the elected members are involved by the majority resolution passed by the parliament. Then vice presidents removed from his office. But when these process are being held before 14 days notice given to vice presidents, after then these process are started. After then I will talk about salaries of vice presidents. Vice president's salaries is 1,25,000 per month. 1,25,000 per month. These are vice president's salary. Then I will meet you next video. Today, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. All the best. Have a nice